Hello everybody and welcome to another Sunday night short. On Friday I attended the Alexandra Palace Model Engineering Show. It's only about 30 miles away, so it's very easy to get to, and I tend to go every year. Ran into Chris Stevens down there and another couple of subscribers or viewers to my channel, which was nice, and caught up with some other old friends as well. So this Sunday night short is going to be a collection of somewhat random clips from the show, and it's a lovely venue, easy to park at, and it was the place where the first public television was broadcast from in 1936, and it's got an interesting history. It's quite there's a website where you can obviously look stuff up. So anyway, hope you enjoy the various clips. There's some interesting stuff in there. See you all next time.
It's not quite small enough, that's cover.
And it, oh, no.
I'll just put it back.
They're the only one I have.
Yeah, alright, thank you.
I could put my hand in stop the traffic.
And then of course you could the end one, the end bit,
Done, unfortunately. Yeah, but it's very going to put it in there. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Looks on here and work.
Get somebody else to do it. Yeah, there's maybe. I don't know if you like a catalogue. It's all in there at the back.
Yeah, if you look at this,
Okay, thanks.
okay, and that's the carrier.
So it goes up again, you just do a special offer. Now you can see there are 2 holes there. I'll put another one on that side. Roughly there. This clamps it and provides the connection to the bottom.
So does this electrode actually touch the surface?
No, it's
What sort of distance are we away?
fifth of a thou.
Oh, we're very close.
But if it touches, it's short. If I turn this too fast, like that, that's shorted now because it's touching and the thing stops working. So you've got to feed down at the same rate.
But it's eroded.
Yeah. It's going on. You sort of gotta go to yourself. You sort of get the feel of it. Any liquid that doesn't conduct electricity and is thin flows freely. This happens to be paraffin, but you can use water, distilled water. The nature of the liquid is only there to remove the swarf.
Oh, I see.
It's nothing more complex than that.
What is the electrode? What material is that?
You can use pretty well anything. What you're trying to do is to establish a differential between the workpiece and the tool. So if you're cutting a low temperature material, aluminium or something like that, you use graphite because it's got a very high melting point. Or if you're cutting, say, silicon carbide, that's got a very high electrical resistance. So you use a copper tool or a brass tool. So copper, brass, graphite, you know, depending on what you want to cut into. This happens to be graphite. So it's just a 3mm bit of graphite.
Yes, I bought it from Paul and now it's operational. Purchased this bit with collets, 24 collets odd. All working quite nicely. It's working nicely. Had to make up a new bracket on this end so that this can slide along. All a bit stiff. It's all working. There you go.
And we've got the multi-stop right on the...
Yeah, this end is the multi-stop. There we go. There's a Coventry die head in there, 1/4 inch, and I've got the dies for it covering the range 0 to 6 BA. I've got another one actually, which is a 1/2 inch one that will fit it. Got to make the tool in to go in there yet, and tool posts are on there, but it's almost complete. I've got an X treadmill 500 watt DC motor, which I've got working and cut it up there, and a pulse width modulated control control, so it gives slow speeds nicely.
It looks superb.
I think
Done some history work on it. That's from July 1942 when they were brought out by Myford for the war effort.
So I think you were telling me you'd never seen another one, and
No, I have seen a couple of them since being sold, but they're usually in pretty poor condition. But, this one now I'm quite happy with.
it's good to see it back together.
Yeah.